Here we have a look at a high-end collegiate basketball product in the form of the Immaculate Collection. Current SRP on this, $400.
Did you say basketball?
Football,
no, right?
College football.
Okay. Could have been my ears. Multitasking again as usual. But we're looking for 4 autographed cards and 1 memorabilia card in this product. It's pretty awesome.
All right. All right, here we go. Kicking things off, we have a Terry McLaurin, Ohio State Buckeyes base card, numbered to 39.
Who ended up drafting him?
Don't remember.
Washington.
Ooh, that's a
have
good card.
An Immaculate Collection Amon-Ra St. Brown glove, game-used glove card, numbered to just 40 for the USC Trojans.
So I do like, Rob, how the fine detail and the, like, really that feel, I can feel the quality of that. I mean, I'm not a big college football fan in general, especially when it comes to cards, but I feel like at least these two, the base and the relic, they feel like high-end cards through the camera, which is really saying something.
Yes. All right. Out of the University of Texas, Hook 'em Horns, Devin Duvernay, numbered to 99. Heating up a little bit. Next card is a redemption. It's for a Signature Moves autograph. This is our guy all year, Ja'Marr Chase. Every year we seem to have a guy, Ja'Marr Chase.
Not only that, but of course it's the guy this year that is redemptions in product. But where was he drafted? Ja'Marr, 10? He was top 10, right?
Top 5th overall, I think they said.
5th overall, I think, yeah.
Bengals.
Because they wanted to pair him with Burrows, reconnect him. Number to 25, we've got a beautiful swatch on-card auto of rookie Dyami Brown, numbered to just 25.
Wow, hold on there a second. That's a good parallel for that university, even though it complements, it doesn't mimic.
But this next card makes the box, because I've got a 1-of-1 boom of Sam Ehlinger out of the University of Texas.
Wow.
Look at that patch. On-card auto, 1-of-1, Sam Ehlinger. Absolutely beautiful.
Looks like he's with the Indianapolis Colts now too. So I always hate when injuries make opportunities, but it's worth saying that there's Sam Ehlinger watch in Indianapolis right now. Although I'm hearing from 1070 The Fan, at least, that it was a shaky day for him yesterday. But that being said, some potential bigness of the hit there if he gets some minutes at quarterback with the tenuous situation that's going on there in Indianapolis. And I'm sure a Texas fan would love that card anyway. So it's a bit of a Texas box between him and Devin Duvernay.
Yes. All right, so what we're going to do, we've got the Sam Ehlinger, obviously, the Ja'Marr Chase, Dyami Brown, and I think I'm going to hook somebody up. One winner is going to get the Duvernay and the Amon-Ra St. Brown.
Nice.
So 4 winners from the Immaculate box.